Okay, I'm going to try to drive home. This sky looks kind of questionable here, kind of frightening looking. So I'm recording this. Kind of looks scary here in the sky here in Hoover. I don't know if I like this sky. It's like my camera can see more than I can see. Oh my Lord. Let me see, do I hear? I don't know, I don't like this sky. Ooh. You all hear that? I don't know if I'm going into something or away from something. This big truck in front of me here. Okay, people, I'm just going to tell you this. Drive carefully. I don't know what's happening. It's about 2:17. The sky has turned pretty dark. Suggest that if someone is using a phone, drive safely. Pay attention to the road. Be aware that you're not the only one driving, even in this type of rain. It hasn't started raining really hard. It's just beginning. But just the same, you are driving in rainy weather. Turn on my blinkers because clears up the line of the phone a little bit. Anyway, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, I'm back, people. It started raining a little bit harder than I wanted it to be raining. But I'm back. Some of this rain on the car. Earlier, I don't have this phone in my hand. It's independent of me. If you're going to be doing these videos, be careful. As I stated earlier, because there's other people out here besides you. Pouring down again, so I see it here.